products built for times like these. When you build a house, you build it to be solid, stable, and secure. You want it to be strong to withstand the elements. Likewise, when building your protection portfolio, it's just as important to build it with financial vehicles that are solid, stable, and secure to help you withstand challenging economic storms. That's never been more important than now, as we face new challenges in our world. That's why our products, annuities and life insurance, are built for times like these. Let's take a look at just a few of their features you can count on. Income confidence. You can receive a guaranteed retirement income stream from an annuity for specific time frames or even for your whole life. It's a powerful benefit you're sure to value over time. Guaranteed benefits. You can help protect loved ones with the guaranteed death benefits from our life and annuity products. That's added value you can trust. Make our strengths your strength. Products built for times like these. It may be just words to some, but it's a way of doing business to us. So our strengths can be your strength, now and in the future.